All right, guys, it's a little bit after 8, and the guys are starting in. Larry and Axel are over here prepping to start some more plastering. So it's going to hopefully be transformed today. It's going to look pretty good, I think. Larry's cruising right along and getting everything prepped up this morning. And so this side of the house should see a big difference by the end of today. They're getting ready to do the mixer. They're cleaning off the inside, trying to get the stuff out of there.
Kaya ba? Kaya ba?
Time for a shower. So they're going to pour more over here, I believe. Finish the beams. They got some of it poured yesterday. So they'll finish pouring whatever's left in the beam, I'm sure. You got Carlo and Renee over here working on that right now. We're going to end up moving some backfill probably here pretty soon once they take the forms off. Hopefully we hear today about the roof. We'll get the quote back from the roofing company, and then we'll have an idea of not only how much it's going to be and how many, but how long it will be before we have it and how quickly we can get it up. We'll walk down here in a minute and show you the water line. It's going to be done today up to here, and we're trying to get all the stuff needed to take the pressure tank and the pump down, get it squared away, so we can actually get water today. Hopefully by this afternoon we'll have actual running water up here. That would be really nice. So we'll walk you down there and show you the progress on the water line. All right, guys, we're coming up on the guys down here working on the water line. So we got the end of the water line is right here. It's kind of folded back over here. And then it's going to go, we're going to run the additional line up there. So they're burying it in here. So you can see the other lines where they just basically on top of the ground. We don't want that. I know that some of the neighbors here have complained about, people run over your line or whatever and damage it. So we don't want that. So we're going to, as much as possible, bury it. So if something goes over it, runs over it, at least it's not going to be crushed. So looks like Kuyong is digging away. And so it's looking good. So it shouldn't take too long to get everything squared away here this morning and then get it hooked up. So we're really hoping to have water by this afternoon on the property. That way we don't have to run all the time to get water in barrels. So we will be back later and hopefully with some really good updates for you guys.
Faster, Ed, faster.
Kuya, ang tanghalian niya?
Pusit ate.
Pusit na totoo? Napakarain nung niluto ni Mang Freding sa tanghon inilahat.
Sabi ko, konti-konti ako naluto, dalo-dalo piraso no.
Napakarain, andun lang. Madai yun pagka nasa bawan, sinusip-sip ng tubig. Yun ang hindi nyo naigabay. Hi!
If he'll eat, we can feed him again.
I'll feed him when we get back, maybe.
Here's the water.
No more. I have to make more for him. Go. Go, Patty. You do your business.
Is there still clean in there?
Yeah.
Hungry dog.
He is hungry. That's a dog food that we brought from the house.
Yeah, he's hungry. I'm glad.
And then we mix some water with the powder so it keeps him hydrated.
Let him out and feed out here.
Si Spider-Man, oh. He already peed.
No, I know. I wish he'd poop.
Yeah, maybe to poop. Ba yung nahanap mo dyan? Ha? Ah. Back here at the property because we feed Monty. Mike is still there with him so he can just like stay outside of his cage for a little. This is the update. They are pouring the beam and the middle of the cistern and the wall on the other side. They're filling it, but they're gonna run out of cement, so Ed went out to get more bags of cement for now. Kala ko hindi ka nagpa-plaster. Ikaw. Kala ko ba si Mang Freddy isasalang mo dyan? Busy ba? Here you go. Hi guys, welcome back. I will be doing an update. It's after lunch. Guys are back to working and Mang Larry is already here at the last window. Axel is there next to him. And I'm not sure where they will move after this is done. So that's what's happening on this side of the house. We ran out of cement earlier, so I think they already have more because I told Ed to buy 50 bags. So I think they are finishing the pour where the shed is, and Monty's being crazy inside. Bombay, I think, is plastering here inside the bedroom. And also our plumber with one of our other guy, they went there in front to hook up the pump and the what do you call that, the pressure tank, and then the former maintenance guy will hook it up to the electric of his boss that's living here in the resort, because they have electric uh, meter in front, because all the other electric meter is right here where our electric meter is, so it's really far to the gate. If we run power line from our meter going back to the gate, it will be a long way. And he said he talked to his boss, and his boss is okay with us hooking it up to the electric there in front, and we're just gonna pay them monthly to use it. So that's the latest right now.
All right, guys, it's like 4:15 or something like that, and start over here. So, if you remember right, in a previous video, we have a double wall for the cistern. In between those walls is concrete. So, and it's going to come up probably that high, because it's going to come above ground level. So you have the double wall, so it's really strong. So the water's not going to bust up the walls or anything. We're going to waterproof it multiple times, and so they've got, looks like they've got all the beam poured. They've got that double wall poured. They're starting, all the columns are poured for the base of the columns for over here, and then they'll backfill. They're doing that right now. We ran out of that backfill really fast. That one was a full pile earlier, and it's gone now. We've still got the spot there for the grounding plate, and we'll take you around the side so you can see the plastering. They've got almost that entire side done now for the outside plastering over there, so it's looking really nice. Larry and Axel have been doing that. Boombai and Brian have been busy inside the master doing beams and columns. And Boombai's doing the window right there, so you can see inside the finished area there. And Brian's up here cutting, making that look good. So then when you come around the corner here, you can see pretty much watch out, he's throwing plaster. He'll get you. See, I told you. They're down there at the very end portion, so it's looking really nice. Looking really good. So hopefully you guys can see it on in the video. So you can see it's not perfect, and it's not meant to be. We've discussed that before, but you will see, guys, that just, it's got to be absolutely smooth, and then it doesn't work. The paint doesn't adhere, the skim coat doesn't work very well, and Larry is just like the master here. He's done most of this, and Axel's little section here looks good. It does. It looks good. Very happy with how it looks. Looking very nice. So that's the update on the plaster. And just got to watch Boombai. He likes throwing plaster at me. So Boombai is like, he's like an all-around guy. I do have a question, Boombai. What happened to the gate?
Yung sabi, binanggit mo sa kanyang ate, kailan ka mo tayo papagawang
Focus sa pool muna natin.
After plaster.
Ayan ka, ikaw nagtatanong dun eh.
So we're gonna go in. Let's go in through the thing, and we'll do an update on Monty. He's doing better. Hopefully, he's past the point of getting worse. He's been eating a lot today. He's definitely got a lot of energy. And today is day 4. So the vet said after about 3 to 4 days, if he made it that long, he was probably going to be okay. I'm not going to take that word.
He's gonna come back.
But there he is.
Hi.
We'll see. He'll come roaring out here. Hi, buddy. I know. You want some water?
There you go.
So he's doing good, which makes us very happy. He's a really nice dog. He's very, very loving pooch, and he's been hungry. So we got him some more food, and he's been peeing everywhere. So hopefully he'll there he goes again. That's really good. So that's going to be our update for tonight. Madeline will get a little bit more video, but that's going to end it for us today. And thank you all for watching. That's going to be the end of the week. They're going to get paid here in a little bit. And as always, thank you for watching. Comment. We'll respond as soon as we can. And just share with your friends, family, and all that good stuff. Like the video if you like it. And come back next time on Monday, and we'll do it all over again.